Hey, hi guys. Nushka, were you able to see Google Classroom? Were you able to understand how to submit Manishka?
No, I couldn't access it.
What? Oh, Nishka, you know what? Yeah, I know. You have not got the welcome email yet, right, Ma?
Yes, I have it.
Yeah. Your mother completed it yesterday. Tonight only it's scheduled for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So, no, but let's do this. At the end of the class, let's make sure you get it. Is that okay?
Yes.
I'll try to help you at the end of the class with that, okay? I really want you to get it and go, Ma. Because I don't want you to. Prachi, right? That's your mom's name, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, Geo Sunday. I'll add you in. Okay, Ma. I sent it to you. You can confirm. Okay. Okay, Srishti, Dhruv, you're all here. Okay, can I move? Can I go ahead? Okay. How was it, guys, for you guys? Did you go over the trigonometry problems?
They were easy.
Yeah,
They
they
were
were
easy.
easy.
Good. Okay, and Ashrita, can you let me know in your school what are you currently doing?
So we just finished our congruence unit and we were supposed to start trigonometry on Friday, but we're going to start it next week.
That'll be very easy.
Yeah.
Mm. How about you, Srishti? What are you doing? Srishti and Dhruv?
We're doing like perpendicular. We just finished trigonometry. That's
I have a question then to you. Are you doing law of sines and law of cosines?
um we already did that in the trigonometry unit.
Law of cosines and law of sines?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Usually schools don't teach that at all.
I mean like we just had like one day. We just looked
Oh,
at
both. Okay. Okay, I see. Then what are you doing next unit?
uh it's like parallel and perpendicular lines, bisectors and all this stuff.
Okay,
But
we should be good with that. Okay, I have this plan for you guys. Usually, probability comes out hard at the end. Probability and circles come out hard at the end. Okay, we'll try to push in some of that in between. Is that okay, guys? 2D, 3D geometry is easier, so we will do that. In between, I'll push in some probability units. Make sense? Okay. I would really like to continue law of sines, law of cosines, and then move on to circles is a big unit. But before moving on to circles, I would like to deal with a couple of probability units too. Okay, there and here we'll do probability. Okay, so that way disconnected units I'll try to push in between. Okay, let's move on. But I would okay. First thing, what I want you all to understand is when it comes to trigonometric ratios, right? It is applicable to what type of triangles? When
Well,
it comes to
triangle,
trigonometric,
right triangle.
right.
yeah, right triangles. So this is the biggest difference, right triangles. Okay, but as we move on, right, today, right, we are going to study about law of sines and law of cosines. Okay, when you're Vibha, did you go out and come back in? Coming back in? Yes. Okay. So the thing is, trigonometric ratios can only be applied to right triangles. Please remember that. Okay. When I started going over law of sines and cosines, several of the kids started using trigonometric ratios. Law of sines and cosines can be applied to any triangle. You see, that's the biggest difference. You can, the only biggest thing that you need to be wary of is you cannot be applying trigonometry to any triangle. You see what I mean? That's a common mistake, and several of the kids in the last class as well did on Friday. So you cannot apply trigonometric ratios to any triangle, but can be applied to right triangles. Make sense, guys? That's the basic concept, right? You are applying theta. All these ratios were only applied to right triangles. Okay. Now, when we study the law of sines and cosines, why are we first of all using trigonometric ratios? To find angles and sides of triangles. Any questions there? Same thing. Okay. Any triangle, angles and sides can be found. Make sense, guys? For the same purpose we are using both, but the biggest differentiation factor is trig ratios can be only applied to right triangles. Law of sines and cosines can be applied to any triangles. Now, when do you use law of cosines? Let's see, what is this law of cosines? Basically, it helps to find out the angles and sides of triangles, right? So always when it comes to law of sines and cosines, I'll name them as A, B, C, the sides of the triangle, and the side opposite to the capital A is A. Side opposite to C is C. Side opposite to B is B. Do you see small b? Considering that the case, how do I find out the sides of the triangle? Let's see. Suppose I want b square. You see, I'll start having it as a square plus, the pattern is the same, a square, the other two sides square, the sum of the other two sides square, subtract 2ac cos b. I'll explain this, guys. I'll explain this with a sample as well. But do you see the pattern? Now, can one of you tell me how will I apply for a square? How do I find for a square? One of the sides square. What do I do? From this pattern, you can identify the formula.
A squared is equal to minus b squared minus c squared.
Why minus, Amma?
Oh,
It is plus. Let's have it as plus. See, because b square was a square plus c square. So a square should be
B squared minus c squared.
b square plus c square.
Plus
Same.
C
Subtract what?
2ac cosine.
It's not 2a.
Cosine A.
2
2 b
bc. bc?
cosine A.
Cosine of what?
A.
Good. Cosine of a. Good job. Okay, now, Nishka, you want to try for the next one, or shall I ask somebody to try? You can always say you can pass. Srishti or Nishka, you want to try? It's okay for you not to try, but you have to let me know. Auntie, give it to someone. Do you want to try, guys, or can I give it to Kayura?
I'll try.
Okay, go ahead.
So c squared equals a squared plus b squared
Yep.
minus 2
These two, right?
yeah, ab
Yeah. Cosine of?
cosine c.
Yeah. You got it? Cosine of that angle, big C. Okay. So this is how, see, we are not, there was a point 5 years back when I was doing the derivation, how this formula even comes. That also I was doing, guys. But given the time, given whatever you guys do at school, I just go ahead and give the formulas. Usually that's not ideal. But you know what? When we go into the derivation, it takes another 20 minutes of class time too. And usually it's not required for the problems you solve. So we have come away from it. Okay. Schools also give the formula. But if you really want to prove this, it's pretty easy. Meaning it's in your level only. It's not like anything hard. Okay. So c square equal to a square. So you know this. This is the law of cosines. Why do we use this? Usually, when do we use this? That's the next question. Whenever you are given 3 sides of a triangle, to find out angles, you can use this. Whenever you are given side included angle and another side, you can use this. Any questions? These are the 2 scenarios. Meaning, what is this? You all know we have studied congruence, we have studied similarity. So, side included angle, side. They give this, or it can be included angle should be there, that's all. Side, another side, included angle. If they give that, you can use it. For what are you going to use it? You're going to find the other sides and other angles that are not given, that's all. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Instead of going to problems, right? You know what I'm going to do? We are going to go over the law of science concept as well. It's easy, that's why. Okay. And after that, we'll do some problems. So that way, you identify for which problem you'll apply which law rather than just going to problems. Can I move on? Make a note of it, guys. Otherwise, you can't solve the problems. Or if you're by heart, make sure the learning happens in class itself. You should be able to write the law of science when you get out of the class. Can I move on? Okay, now law of science. Let's see. I'll try to write it in here itself. Oops, sorry. Try to move the. Okay, let's go ahead with law of science. What does that say? I'll consider the same triangle, guys. Okay, it's not hard. Sine A, the ratio, right? Sine of this angle divide by this length equal to sine B, this angle. Sine B divide by B, this side equal to sine C divide by C. Did you guys get it? The ratio is always the same. When do you use this law of sines? When you are given two angles, the side need not be an included side, or it can be included side and two angles, you see, or it can even be side angle. In this case, this is a little hard. At your level, they won't give you this, okay? It's very tricky to do problems when they are given two sides and an included angle and you use this. Usually they don't get to give you this, okay? These two are the main areas which we'll deal with, okay? Anyway, you will study in pre-calculus again. I don't know, in AP pre-calculus you don't study, but usually we studied in honors pre-calculus in depth in pre-calculus, this particular thing. I don't know, for you, since AP pre-calculus came, again we are not studying this. But for now, what are you going to do? Law of cosines you'll use this in these scenarios. Law of sines you'll use in these scenarios. But it can be used when two sides and non-included angle is given as well. Okay, so sine is always associated with two angles, excluding side angle. Cos is always associated with two sides and an angle or three sides. Any questions? Okay, what is it used for? You're going to find all the sides or all the angles in any triangle. It's not limited to right triangles. The trigonometry comes into picture only when you see a right triangle. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta can be used only when you see right triangles coming up. Okay, now let's see this one. Nishka, before you go out of the class, I want you to go to the Google Classroom, see whether you're seeing the assignments so that you can look through the past assignments, ma. It'll be useful for you from this week.
Okay, did you send it?
Yeah, ma, to the email ID that your mom has registered with. Do you want to know what email ID is? Prachi.abi27, prachi.abi27, that one.
Yes, I can see.
Sure. Oh, you got it. Okay, please go to the Google Class. In that, Control F, Google Classroom, go to the Google Classroom, click on that and see whether you're seeing the assignments, see how to submit and stuff.
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Okay, now let's see this one. How about this? I want you to do law of sines and I did not review last week's, right, guys? Oh my gosh. But yeah, I don't know. We'll review one or two. Let's see. I don't know whether I'll review. Let's see. I want to move on to next as well. Let's see. First law of. You are going to find, okay, what law you are going to use. It's a little tricky to do it. Okay, how about this? You are going to tell me what law you are going to use. It is just plug and play. So I don't want to do unless you want me to do. Please understand that, okay? I want you to try. First, identify a triangular garden has dimensions 54 feet, 48 feet and 62 feet. Find the angles at this corner of the garden. Anybody, please volunteer to tell me what law you are going to use.
Law of sine.
Law of
Cosine.
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 Why?
Because you have
They
all
gave
three
three
sides.
Yep, three. Good, Amma. Please go ahead. It's just plugging in, right? So we'll do only one problem, okay? Not much. Not much of the brain is used here. Nishka, you have to give me a little more input. You're studying geometry at school?
Yes.
Okay. What are you doing in school, ma?
We're not finished with trigonometry yet.
Oh, so is it easier? Did you get to use what we learned in class?
Yes, I did.
Oh, good. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. But as and when they start a new topic, voluntarily tell me what you're doing in school, okay? That always helps.
Okay, I will.
Thanks.
What do we round the angles to?
Nearest 10th, ma?
Okay.
I should have said that, sorry. Even if you find one or two angles, it's enough. You don't have to do three. It is just plugging in, right? So let's not put too much time into this.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Oh, you send it. Okay. Yeah.
No, can you send me a message in the chat? Because I cannot
Yes,
check.
absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, can you do the same for me?
Definitely, sir. Ma, I'm sorry, ma. Zoom has changed something and is making a mess, I feel, because we did not have this earlier. And I don't mind opening the chat for everybody, okay? Meaning the group chat I can open. But what would happen is, I would never want you guys to meaning if you send answers, right, if it shows to the other person, it's of no use. First one. Second thing is, I don't want you to chat between each other during a class. That's why that is disabled. But if you want me to enable, I can do that as well. I don't feel the need for it. Who else I did not send? I did. Who else did I not send after asking? Please,
Me, Miss Priya.
You didn't send to me.
Nishka,
Can you send one to me as well, please?
Yeah, no, sure. Ashrita, I will send right away. I don't know what is going on with this. Duru, he's already sending. Okay, I'm checking your answer, bro. Uh, Duru, your Okay, Dhruv, they're right. Okay, did I not obey somebody's request?
You still have to send it to me, Miss Priya.
Oh, Vibha, I did not send you, is it, ma? Or Nabiha, who was it? I'm going to send it to everybody. Okay, wait. Ma, did you get it, ma? Hey, Vibha, I will communicate with your mom and dad for his class, okay?
Okay.
Just tell them, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was not available at all this morning. That's why I could not reply properly, but please tell them.
You didn't send it to me, Miss Priya.
Yeah, I'm sending Mitransh. Give me a minute. Nabiha, I sent it just now. Then Mitransh. Thanks. Did you get it, guys? I really want all of your answers. Okay, those of you who are done, you don't have to while away. Nishka, did you get it, ma? I keep asking because you're new.
No, you haven't sent it.
Huh? Ah, Nishka. Oh my god. Yes, sorry, Nishka. Yeah. Okay, next. You can as well do the next one, right? Whoever has done it, right? Oh, that's a good one. Let's try to see this one. Oh, this is a good one. Had I seen this, I would have given this. Okay, let's see. The first one you have to send the answer, guys. It's just plug and playing. Okay. Second one, you have to start drawing. Without drawing, these problems don't work at all.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
what are we supposed to plug in for the first problem?
Okay, let me do it for you. Others, you can go ahead with the second one. You don't have to wait for me to do the first one. First one, many of you got it. You can keep going. A triangular garden, 54 feet. So when I draw, right, 54, 48, 62. SSS. So I'll be using law of sines. So find the angles means, let me find out A. How do I find angle A? You know, the formula is A square will be equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A, right? So here I can find out A. How to find out A? I know A square. Let's say this opposite is A square, right? 62 square will be equal to 54 square plus 48 square minus 2BC, right? 54 times 48 cos A. Okay. Now 62 square minus 54 square minus 48 square, right? You do that. And then what do? Will be equal to minus these three, right? 2, 54, 48 cos A. Now what do? Both are going to be negative, right? So these are going to be big numbers. So both are going to be negative. So you're going to find this. Now how to do this? One of you tell me what is 62. You want me to do it in calculator or you want to tell me? 62 square minus. I can do it quickly. Kayura, why don't you try?
Okay.
62 square, 54, 48, right? 62 square. 62 square minus 54 square minus 48 square. 1376. 1376, right? But that's going to be negative, right, guys? That's what I thought.
Yeah, it's negative.
I'm going to use the calculator, guys. Okay, nothing else.
Miss
Okay.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
for both the questions on my calculator, it keeps saying math error.
You know what? Did you change your angle to to degrees? Did you go to the
Yeah.
mode? Huh?
It's on degrees only.
It's on degrees only?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it a physical calculator or a calculator online?
Yeah,
Can you-
it's physical.
Physical, why don't you do the same thing in the online calc and show me? Because you should get the same error, right?
Okay, wait.
Can you share screen? Let's do it together. Come on, let's do it together. So cos A will be equal to 1376 by 2 times 54 times 48. Do it and tell me.
Wait,
Vibha,
I was just trying to multiply with the. Oh, okay. I got it.
you got it? Yeah. See, one thing is try to use more calculator. Otherwise, it's very hard in your SAT, PSAT, ACT exams, right? If you are not comfortable with your calculator, you are unnecessarily pushed for time. So try to become more comfortable. If you get an error, go to an adult or Google or show me in the class. Initially, it's always hard. Okay. After doing this, what do you do? Somebody wanted me to do it on the board. I forgot who. Now A will be equal to cos inverse of this, guys. That's all.
Oh, wait,
If you
so
don't know,
I already did the division, so I do cos inverse.
correct. Because you take
Okay.
cos inverse on both sides, right? Here this gets cancelled. This becomes cos inverse. Kayura, did you get the explanation, or what is that you're hesitating?
Yeah, I understand. I'm just doing the final
Okay.
calculations.
Okay. Do. This is for the first one, guys. Second one, I'm assuming everybody is doing. Whoever has done the first problem, I'm thinking you're doing.
Can I say the answer for the first one out loud?
Yes, please go ahead.
Is it 74.6?
Correct. If you get one right, everything you're going to get right. Vibha, did you get it, ma?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Good, ma. Nabiha, did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Vibha, did you buy the TI-84 calculator, ma?
No, it's like another calculator that we have to use for school.
Okay, I'll leave it to you because your school is so
Yeah.
different. I am with you.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to use, you use.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, but here, if you are here, I would always strongly recommend buy TI-84. It's fine. For you, it's different. Okay.
Okay.
Shall we move on? Okay, do the second problem, guys. Can I erase this?
Miss Priya, for the second one, do we use law of signs?
Oh, good question.
Because
Honestly, I don't have the solution for that. Okay, let me see.
it's ASA, right?
I'll check. A plane is spotted by two observers standing 20 meters apart. Okay, this is 20 meters. A, B. These are the two observers 20 meters apart. A plane is between the two observers. The angle of elevation of the plane from each observer is 45 and 18. Okay. How far? This is ASA. Yes, it is law of, what did you say, Dhruv?
Signs, right?
Correct. ASA. Y, A, included side and the angle. Do you see? So it is law of sines. What are they asking you to find? How far is the plane from each observer? So you need to find the sides, right? So which one you can use? Sine A. Let me take this as x. By x will be equal to sine. Be careful, guys. So how do you use it? How do you use it? Dhruv, you can go ahead and tell us. There's one point that's tricky.
Isn't it like A divided by sine A is equal to B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sine C?
Yeah, it's the same thing, right, Amma? See, whether you put sine A by A or A by sine A, the ratios, if you put it like this, you're going to put it like this. If I go your way, right, I am going to write it like this. You got it?
Okay, so
Both are one and the same. Go ahead.
so like the opposite side of the angle A is side A.
Okay, so I put that as x. After that, what do you equate it with? Okay. That's a little tricky. You can have only one unknown. In any proportion, you can have only one unknown. You cannot have two unknowns.
Yeah, so then we do sine. We have to do it at the top angle.
Exactly. You need to find the top angle. Without that, you will have two unknowns in your proportion. Suppose if I put, see, I know this angle. If I put sine B by this one, you will have x is unknown, y is unknown. This is incorrect. I cannot solve this problem at all. So what will I do? I will find out. Finding out this angle is very easy for me. Y 180 minus 45 plus 18, 55, 65, 63, right? So what it will be? 63 means 73, 87,
117.
117.
117, yeah.
So this is 117, right?
So then you do sine 117
correct.
divided by
20. Yeah. Use what they give you. So now you can find out x. How will you find out x? It's just ratios, right? Cross multiplication strategy really works. 20 sine A will be equal to, oh, wait, what is A? 20 sine 45.
Yeah.
Yep. 20 sine 45 will be equal to x sine 117. Then,
You just simplify that.
yep. Yeah, just simplify x equal to 20. Please, if you put in the calculator, you have to get used to putting in the calculator. That's why we are spending time. Okay, meaning you have to be careful. You have to use parentheses wherever needed. Take your time, put it in the calculator, learn the calculator here itself. Many a time you'll get errors. Always when you touch trigonometry, law of sines, cosines, please put your mode in degrees. In pre-calc, we'll advocate please put your mode in radians. Here, it's more of degrees. But I think you'll also work with radians a little later though, but you will definitely.
Miss Priya, can I say what I got for X out loud?
Absolutely.
I got 15.9.
1 minute ma, give me 1 minute ma. X you got 15.9.
I got the same thing.
Okay, the other one?
Oh, I'm doing the other one.
Oh wow. You know what? Wonderful. I don't have the answer as well for this one. That's not good. Okay, let me see guys. I don't know. Go ahead, let's see. I will let you know. I'm prepared. I'm getting the second question as well for you. Give me a minute. This one I think I'll have to work it out. I want to give you one more problem, right? I was copying that one problem. Let me give you. Wait. This one is a little tricky. I know it's not a word problem, but I want you to try this problem. Okay, we'll do one more word problem. Okay, not this one. 55. Yes, this one. This one, let me see whether you're able to solve. This one is a little tricky. I'm not going to give you any clues. Did you all get this? Can I even if you get one side, I'm fine. As long as you know how to work, we can move on. You should get either X or Y. We should be good with that. So I'll check the answer. That 15 thing is correct, ma. Guys, I want the answers from everybody if possible. Nobody's chatting with me the answer now. Oh, I got 3. Sorry. Oh, you're a little confused. Where are you confused, Vibha? I'll help you.
No, that was before.
Oh, now you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I didn't know. I saw it just now. Srishti.
Yes.
15.87 is correct, but the other one I think you did a mistake on the other one.
Oh, okay. Let me just
A
check.
very simple error I feel. Addition, subtraction error I feel. Do you want to check?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, ma. Both of you are giving the same thing. Wait, ma. Srishti. Ashita, correct, ma. Srishti, I'm rechecking yours. Wait, ma. Oh, Srishti, yours is right, ma. Srishti, you don't have to recheck. Both are right. Dhruv, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Mahir, Mitransh, did you get it? Nabiha, you're getting it? Nishka, where is yours?
Yeah, I'm sending it.
Okay. I started bugging because you're not new right now. After this, go ahead and do this one, guys. You don't have to waste your time. Whoever did, you're going to do that one problem. This problem. Let's call this problem 3. This is 2. Amma, if you're not getting it, it's important to say, oh, I didn't get it.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
on question 3, is the 6 showing the distance between like the two lines, or is that the first?
Tricky, ma. It's a little tricky. This one. You see, this is an isosceles triangle. Good question.
So it's showing the distance between the like line.
Okay, let me put it for you nicely.
Okay.
This means they both are equal. You got it?
Yeah.
Now is
Oh,
it?
so both those sides are 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma, this question is a little tricky. Why don't we discuss? One of you who got an idea, please go ahead and discuss. I picked a little bit trickier problem. This is all straightforward, the word problem. I want you to think, guys. I mean, it's okay for me to say, but you will not be able to think, right? Go ahead.
Can I say something?
Yeah, please. Yes, try.
I think-
It's okay to go wrong.
I think what you need to do is so you have for the inner triangle you have the sides 5.9 and you have 6, and then you have to find the third side, right?
Good one. But this is 6, right, ma?
Yeah, so like you have two of the sides. Wait, no you don't. Never mind.
Yeah. So what do you do?
Do you use tangent?
Nabiha, this is not a right triangle. This is exactly what. Don't forget to do this. I told you, right? Don't ever use trigonometric ratios in. That's okay. Only when we make mistakes, we'll know, right? I have done it. I've done the same thing. So don't worry about it. So this is not a right triangle. Okay. You'll remember now, Nabiha. At the end of it, that's what we want, right?
Miss Priya is does finding this angle have something to do with finding x? Or is it
Dhruv, you're thinking that x is the distance, right, Dhruv? That's what you're thinking, right? Meaning
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Tell me what is your question? Sorry, what was your question?
I was asking if finding this angle would help finding x, or is it irrelevant? Is
It
it-
um it will help. Honestly, it will help. But you're asking the answer. Yes, it will help. But this alone is not enough, right? How do you find this angle, Dhruv? You tell me.
you just do 180 to minus 68.
180 correct. 180 minus 68 you'll do. Very nice. Because it's a straight line, right? 180 minus 68 is what? 112, right? Yeah, that does help. Okay, but that alone is not going to help. Something else you need. Why have they given this? What is this? What is this? How can you use them? You used this to find out this, that's great. But that's not enough, right? To find out X. What is that you need?
I was thinking that if we find the wait, can I draw?
Yeah. Can I erase the second one? It's so messy in here. Yeah, go ahead.
I was thinking if we found this right here, then we could do the sign thingamabob to find x.
True. If you find that thing, to find that yellow thing, that's hard, right, ma? Meaning you.
I was just thinking, I don't really understand what you're supposed to do.
Yeah. See, I'm also suggesting only. See, for you to find that yellow thing, even if you use law of sines, you don't have this angle. Do you see it? You don't have this angle either. You see
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the part. So what do you do? What else can you do? But you know what? For this triangle, for the bigger
Miss Priya,
triangle,
isn't if it's like 112, is it like the other one like above like the other black like marked angle, so 1112?
which angle is 112? Vibha, can you show me?
Oh wait, no, no.
Miss
No,
Priya.
you can tell and then get clarified. There's nothing wrong. Yeah,
Never mind, I got it.
okay.
Miss Priya.
Tell
Wait,
me.
I'm going into my car right now. Can I turn off my?
Sure. You can put off your. Yeah. Can I suggest something? Why in the world did they give side?
Oh,
can tell?
you can use that to find with the b squared equals a squared plus c squared.
Exactly, side you can use. So what
Yeah.
you can use and find out what?
You can find out the angle.
Which angle?
One of the angles.
Vertex angle.
Yeah, you can find the vertex angle, but that is not useful. Yeah, good job. Yes, you can find the vertex angle and
If you
what?
find the vertex angle, you can find the other two angles
Correct,
of the
ma.
triangle.
Yes, good job. So now you got the way out. Some of you got the way out at least. Who didn't get the way? Let's discuss still. Go ahead. If you have gotten the way, some of you got it for sure. So they have given the side. Somehow I have to use it. Side belongs to law of cosines, right? When you use law of cosines, you can find any angle of the bigger triangle. Once you find the bigger angle, this is an isosceles triangle. So this angle is the same as this angle. You see? Guys, you want me to work it out?
Wait, no, I actually understand this. Can I like do it?
do. See,
Like, can
figuring
you
out
give me
always helps you there outside. Go
can
ahead.
you give me like 5 minutes and then
Sure. Nishka, are you able to get going, ma?
Yes.
Oh, good. Mitranj, did you get how to do? And Srishti, you're not opening your mouth, why?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay.
I get it, Miss Priya.
Okay, good. Nabiha, you got it, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, okay. Anybody's needing? Maghi, did you get how to find?
Yeah.
Okay, good. But I at least want some answers, guys. Oh, you got it, lady. Wait, let me check. Is the decimal correct, ma, Srishti? The value after the decimal seems incorrect. Why? Should not have this much of a difference. Can you check?
Yeah.
wait, Miss Priya, I found an angle, but I don't know which angle I found.
Okay, you don't know which angle you found. Okay, makes sense. Okay, I can help you. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did 5.9 squared equals 6 squared plus 6 squared, that like that.
Okay, let's see. Why there is a little bit of a difference? I'm a little worried, Srishti. What are we doing a mistake? Or the key may be wrong. Key may be wrong or our understanding may be wrong. Let's see.
Miss Priya, from my answer.
Yeah, I
can
saw your answer, Ashrita, but it didn't work. Meaning it
Miss
was way far off, Ashrita.
For my answer, I just did the proportion, so x over
Correct.
sine.
Srishti, your answer is matching, but it's only slightly differing. Let's see. I'm going to do it as well, I feel now. Okay, I want to find this angle, guys. My way is to find this angle. Okay, this one. This one I'm going to find. Dhruv, if you're able to do, tell us as well, Dhruv.
Okay.
Okay, can I ask you one more question? How many of you are comfortable changing the class to 1 hour before?
Yeah, I am.
I know, Dhruv. For you only, I'm asking. How many of you are
I
comfortable?
can do that.
8:45.
I'm just checking. Oh, but
Yeah, I can do it.
all of you are able to do?
I can do that.
Yes, I can do it.
Ravi,
Yeah.
you can wake up as well. How about you, Mahir?
I can do it.
Mitra and Shrishti, I want everybody. No, what I'm thinking is the third graders are really waking up early and they really want to change 1 hour later. That is why I'm asking. And Duru has some class. So many people are getting advantaged if we change. So I'm asking. Okay, I'll keep you posted, guys. Without a formal
Wait,
announcement, I
Priya,
will not change. Yeah, go ahead.
is it okay if we can do like 30 minutes before?
Oh no, for me it's not.
Oh, okay.
1 hour is okay.
Yeah, sure.
No, I have something going on right smack after that 2 hours. You get it?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Sorry, Dhuru, but I can do an hour if you want to. Is that okay? First of all, let's discuss, okay? I'll put it out in the group for a poll. There is one problem with Vibha's brother, so let me see whether it works. Okay, let's go ahead. Did you guys get it? Here there is some problem, guys, for sure. Okay, I'm going to find that angle I said, right? I'm going to name it as C. Okay. Now, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Ashrita, you're going to help me with finding it out, meaning finding it out in the sense a calculator. 5.9 square plus 6 square minus 2 times 5.9 times 6 cos C, right? C square. So that is 36. C square is 6 square, right? So I can just cancel them out. I'll make your job easy. Let's see. So now 2 times 5.9 times 6 cos C will be equal to 5.9 square. Ashita, can you please help me with this? I wanted to find cos inverse of 5. You know what? I can just cancel this. Cos inverse of 5.9 by 12. Can you find out, Ashita?
60.54981428.
0.555. Let me do. Now that's the same thing as this angle because it's an isosceles triangle. Now I will apply law of sines. Sine 112 by 6 equal to sine 60.55 by x. I found out x. X will be equal to 6 sine 60.55 divided by sine 112. Can you do this one as well, please, Ashita?
60.
Use correct parenthesis though here.
I got 5.635031806.
That is correct. That's the correct answer. Where was the mistake?
For me, when I did minus 2AC, I did minus 2A squared times C squared.
Here, okay,
yeah.
okay.
So when I redid it, I got the same answer.
Okay, good. Srishti, where was your mistake, ma?
I think
Got the wrong number. Yes, I know. A large pepperoni, please. My guard came back up.
Okay, go ahead, Srishti, go ahead. Dhruv, I hope you're physically here, mentally here. Go ahead.
I just had like it was just like the number difference. Like I think I just rounded it like too
Oh,
much.
don't round till you come to this point. Okay,
Okay,
rounding as
yeah.
well, you should do
I
3
think
as in.
I entered the 50.55 in the 60.55 in the calculator wrong.
Priya.
Okay. Yeah, ma. Yeah, Dhruv.
Sorry for the disturbance. Like, some random video started playing on my laptop. I was like
Oh,
in this meeting.
no worries. As long I know you, Dhruv. That's why I took it very light. Okay, go ahead.
Wait, this the answer is 5.635, but you wrote 5.638.
8
So,
65, maybe 64 can I do? 6 is enough, ma, actually. 5.6 is enough.
okay.
Thanks for letting me know though. Can we move on, guys? Okay, I really want to move on to the next topic. Hey, Nishka, did you get it?
Yes, I did.
I keep asking you, bugging you for some more time till you get used to.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, hey, I'm going to give you problems on trig review you would have done. So you're going to do law of sines, law of cosines this week.
Miss
Okay.
Priya, I wasn't able to do the trig review because the trig review had law of sine and
Sines,
cosine in it.
cosines. Okay.
Yeah.
Do it this week.
Okay.
Doesn't yeah, Dhruv, I understand. I did see the problems, okay, but you can do it this week and finish the trig packet entirely this week, okay. Now I really go ahead,
With every single chapter this week.
Amma,
Like the
we
chapters
have
we have done, right? Like 7, 6, 5.
oh, I see, your class is 1 week behind, guys. Okay, see, okay, yeah, I do see you. Okay, did we do angle of elevation depression?
Yeah, we did last week.
That's what we did last week.
But did I forget to assign the homework?
No, you assigned us the homework on it.
Yeah, you made us do like chapters 3, 4, and
Oh,
8.
then what? Yeah, I do see it. Okay. Then what is the problem, Dhruv? Then you're going to
Oh,
only do 5, 6, 7 this week, right?
yeah, that's what I was saying. I was just clarifying.
Yeah, part 5, 6, 7 we can do this week, right? I thought I forgot. Okay. Even if I forget, please ask, guys. I won't forget usually. Please do the 5, 6, 7 parts. I know part 8 is pending for some of you. Definitely do that as well. Yeah. Those of you who are CBing, I will make sure you are given proper assignments, okay? Okay, now this is done. So I want to go to trigonometry. I want to put a start to trigonometry. Otherwise, it keeps on getting postponed. Trig. Give me a minute, guys. Okay. We have studied, many of you have studied probability, but let's see. Many of us have studied probability, but you know what? Let's see. I don't want all this. Hey, give me a minute, guys. I don't want that noise in there. Okay, now let's get started with probability. Do you all remember what is sample space? Do you all remember what is sample space?
No.
Oh.
Okay, this is from 7th grade, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, for this week, right, to make it easier on you guys, let's see. Let's first define probability. Okay, so probability of an event is what? Is the measure or the chance, literally, okay, to say, hey, this event will occur. Okay, now let's say I spin a die. I spin a die. I know I'm pushing probability now itself a little, but on and off I'll push. In between we'll do 2D 3D geometry, okay? Since with respect to time I'm thinking I can push one subunit in probability, okay? Probability always comes in the end and kills us. You guys end up not understanding probability, so I don't want that. That's why we'll push it in steps. Now let's say this is a fair six-sided die, okay? Each side has 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? That's what is written. Okay, whenever you roll it, right, what are the possible outcomes? all possible outcomes of an event, if written in curly braces, that is called the sample space. Okay, sample space of this event is 1 to 6. What is the size of the sample space? 6. Now, what is the probability of 6 occurring? If you roll a die, what is the chance that 6 will come up? You can be quick. Number of ways 6 can come up divided by the total possible outcomes is the probability, is the
So
chance.
one, so one
1
six.
out of 6. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, what is the probability of the face up not showing a 6?
5. It would be
5 by
5.
6. What are you noticing? So, this is an event and this is called the complement of the event. So, the probability of an event plus the probability of the complement of the event is what? If you add these two, what happens?
One. You get
1. Yeah, see here, suppose let's say probability of a prime number. What is the probability of the number being prime?
on a
In the
die.
die. In the die. What is the probability of the number being prime?
3. 1.
1 by 2.
Yeah.
Probability of not a prime?
It would be 1 by 2.
1 by 2. See, always the probability of an event and the probability of the complement of the event is always 1. Any questions here? So, whenever you are asked for probability questions, please understand your answer is a fraction, is a decimal, less than 1. If it is 1, then it is 100% occurring. There is no way your probability of an event can be greater than 1. You got it? Your answer can be a decimal, it can be a fraction. Fraction is always a proper fraction because it's less than 1, or it can be in percentage. Any questions? That is a sanity check. Once you get the answer as 2.5 as a probability, then you're absolutely wrong. You got it? Because it's always less than 1. You see, because probability, favorable outcomes is always less than the total number of outcomes. Maximum it can be 1. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Okay, I have a line. Okay, I have this line. It's an easy one. Okay, I'm jumping into geometric probability. Okay, so that I get to finish that. I'm asking you for this event to happen. You tell me what is the probability. You guys, come on, try, figure out. Okay, there is a line A, D. In that BC is there. I've given you the lengths as well. What each length is. Okay, I'm picking a point. On that line, I'm picking a point. What is the probability that the picked up point X is on the line AB? Line segment AB, I should have said. What is the probability that the picked up point is on the line AB? You tell me. It's not hard, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya, how many more questions do we have to answer before we?
You want to go through?
No, I can stay for like a little longer.
Yeah. 2-3 minutes. You can. I'll let you go. Important ones, I'll go over. You can go. Go ahead.
Do we send the answer in chat? Just say that.
Shout out, ma. This is.
Okay, I think 1 by 2.
1/2.
Yeah, it is 8 divided by the 16. You got it? The favorable outcome is being in this. Okay, total possible outcomes is 16. What is that 16? 8 plus 2 plus 6. Make sense? So geometric probability works that way. Suppose if you have a square, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, suppose if I connect this and make a quarter circle, each of side 2, 2. I pick a point. What is the probability that my point picked up lands on the quarter circle at the corner? You tell me, how will you find? Just tell me, how will you find? The thing is, you're given a square. I'm drawing a quarter circle with radius 2 at the corner of a square. Now I'm asking you, hey, what is the probability of picking or throwing a dart? Let's say I'm throwing a dart. What is the probability that the dart falls on this quarter circle in this square? How will you say that?
You just I think you just find like the area of that.
Correct.
And
area
then
of what?
the quarter circle.
Area of the quarter circle. Yes,
And
that is your favorable outcome, right?
And then you divide it by the area of the whole.
Area of square.
A square.
How do you find the area of the quarter circle? Everybody does it wrong, Most of them do it wrong.
You find the area of the circle and divide it by 4.
Yes, find out the area of the circle means pi r square. Pi times 4, right? Divide by 4 is the area of the quarter circle. Any questions?
So the probability would be pi by 16.
4 is 16. Yes, correct. That's right. Good
Okay.
job. Okay, so probability of favorable event divided by the probability. Dhruv, I think you understood. You can log off
Yeah.
if you want to.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, yeah, that's the main part. Okay, yeah. Now let's go ahead and try this one quick. Oh, you don't know. I have not gone over area of polygons yet, right? Okay, I see. Okay, let's see this one. This is a good one. We are just revising probability, so it's okay. How about this? This is a good one, but makes you think, guys. Why don't you try that? I will let you work only on trigonometry this week, okay? Next week, I will push in something more in this geometric probability, then give you one small homework on geometric probability. Is it hard, you all think? Not really. Can I show you?
I have an idea on how to do it, and I
Go
sent my
ahead.
answer, but I'm not sure.
Go ahead.
So I thought that since it's 24 gallons, to figure out 1/4 on the meter, I did 24 divided by 4.
Okay, you did 24.
Divided
Okay,
by 4 to make
divided by
each
4.
marking 6.
Nice,
So
okay.
1/4 of the way should be at 6, and then half the way is at 12. So numbers between 6 and 12 are 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 5 out of 24.
Why 5 out of 24? Where did that come from?
Because it said it's pointing between 1/4 and 1/2, so it has to be in between 6 and 12.
Yeah, but 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 can it be based on area? It's just this anywhere here, right?
Yeah,
So how much is this when compared to the full one?
1/4.
1 out of
4.
4. It's more practical question.
Okay.
Got it, guys? See, they're just wanting to find out what is the probability that the engine is turned on. Needle will move, right? Needle will move from here. It will move either here, here, or it'll come here, right? So what is the probability that the needle lands in this quarter? Basically, that's a quarter, right? So it's only 1 out of 4 possibilities. Did that make sense, Kayura?
Priya,
Yeah.
how would you know if it's like what like she said, if it's like 5 by 24 or if it's like an area related question and it's like
Why is it 5 by 24? Tell me.
because like based on the values it's like between 6 and 12.
The needle is based on the value you're saying, right? But ma, you're not going to count values in here, right, ma? The needle moves here, here. It is inside whatever shape you're working on, right? Needle is not going to point here or here or here. Needle is not going to come and sit on these. These are not benchmarks of whatever we are doing, right? See what I mean?
Yeah.
But a good question, Biba. These are not at all, meaning these are not our milestones. You see, the needle is not going to come to and sit in this point. 1, 2, 3. No, right? It can be anywhere within this or this side or this side. You see what I mean? Viba, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can I stop here, guys? With one last thing. I'll finish up with this, okay? There is a polygon. I really want you to understand this before. This is just direct formula. What is the area of a polygon? Area of a polygon. This one I have not introduced this to you. It will come in 2D shapes. area of a polygon. If you know from the center, this perpendicular line to any of the side is the apothem. I'm considering a regular polygon. I'm considering a regular polygon of side A. The area of the polygon is given by half times perimeter times apothem. Half times perimeter times apothem. This is very important as we get into 2D geometry. What is this apothem? This is called the apothem. Apothem is basically the distance from the center to any of its side, perpendicular distance from the center to any of its side. So that is the apothem. Half times perimeter of the regular polygon times the apothem. This is an important piece that you'll memorize. Any questions? Any questions, guys?
No.
Okay, with that I'll stop, but I'm not going to give you homework on probability. Okay, because it's too less that we have covered. If you have any questions, stay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we can log off. Have a wonderful week ahead. Keep me posted on what you're doing in school, and I'll see you next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. See you. Hi, guys. How are y'all?
Good.
Vihan, did I make you miss something?
No, it's fine. Math is more important with my dance class, so yeah, I just joined back. That's fine.
You finished it?
No, I not do my dance class today. It's
I
fine.
didn't mean to do that, Vihan. I said I'll communicate with you, right?
Fine.
Okay,
It's
but
fine.
okay,
I
thank
like this. I like my class more, anyways.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Okay,
Hi,
let's
Miss
move on.
Priya.
But I will not change unless. Hi. I'll not change unless it's really required. Okay, please remember.
Good morning, Miss Priya.
Very good morning, Srimitran. You're all nicely awake today. Hey, I had a.
Yes.
I know, right? What, ma?
Miss Priya.
What, ma? I had huge questions for each of you. Okay, number one question to Anjali. Anjali, what did you do, Anjali, in the test? Did you try? Mom was not there?
I tried.
You tried?
Yeah.
You didn't answer any questions properly. Did you see that? All were unanswered.
I answered all of them.
No, many were unanswered. Only maybe 7 to 10 questions you did.
Yeah.
Okay, can I request you on this, Anjali? Have mom with you. Sometime you re-attempt the test because most of the questions were not answered.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Thank you. With full focus.
Okay.
Will you do it? Yeah. Because I know how you do. So it's that you have to answer most of it right. That's what I'm expecting. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, I really want to see. Okay, out of 70, I saw only 7 or 8 answers. The rest of it was all undone. It was interesting to see. Yeah.
But I checked all my work and all of them was answered.
Ma, then did you enter the answer, ma?
Oh.
I did verify, ma. There were so many, very many answers that were not even attempted.
Okay. I'll do it again.
Okay. Yeah, with your mom near you. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay, others, looks like, hey, Ananya, you did not yet attempt the test, right?
It was because, last class, I wasn't here at, wherever I am. I was in New Jersey. I couldn't do my homework. My homework was here.
No, this is a test, a 3rd grade test I have given. Can you check that out?
Okay.
Maybe I'll remind your mom, but you remind your mom. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Aru, you have taken, I don't remember seeing your result too, right?
I was in India.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. I'm sorry, ma. Yes, I forgot. I completely forgot. Okay, so allocate some time and you take your test. Okay? Yeah. Aditi, I want some time. Aditi, in the Google Classroom, there is a 3rd grade test that I have given. Should I tell your mom or dad, or will you remind them? You have to allocate 90 minutes to take the test. Will you take it?
Yeah, I think I can take it this week.
Yeah, please. Okay. You are going to remember. You are the responsible person, so you will remember. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. So I'm not going to remind your mom or dad, correct?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
good.
fine.
Okay. Aradhya, you have not taken as well, correct? Yeah, I want you to take some time. Maybe it's a level up for you, but you have to take. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, Sri Mitranal, good job. Ananya, you took it, right? Ananya ji, have you taken?
Yeah.
From my head, I don't remember what was it. Let me, I'll check later. Okay, and one thing, guys, I really want to go over first is when you take that mental math, right? Can I share my screen? I'll share my screen and show you. Some of the things I want to show you. If it is difficult, we'll go over. Some of them are really needed, guys. Let's see. I'll make it bigger for you guys. Okay, this is one. Okay, it doesn't show who took the test, so it's okay. We are good. Okay, when you look at this here, right? This one you know how to do. Okay. Okay, now what is the thousands digit? You know this. This one is addition. Okay. The important part of these assignments, I have made sure you get one every week. Okay, at least till February, you will be getting one every week. Okay, my target, my intent, why I am giving you this is I want you to become mentally very good with numbers. So you should not write down in a piece of paper like this and work this out. You see what I mean? This is not the intent. You should not write this in a piece of paper. Instead, mentally on seeing this, hey, yes, 6 plus 2 is 8, but there will be a carry in here. Here as well there will be a carry. So that's going to be hard. You know what I would do if I see this? I would immediately do 648 plus 300. This is so near 300. What is 648 plus 300? It's a 948. But I will subtract 4. Answer is 944. Make sense? That is how you need to approach these. It's not like, oh, this is given. I'll go ahead and write down in a piece of paper. And 8 plus 6 is what? 14, 1, 10, 14, 1. This is not what I want. You get it? The way you need to approach these problems is, hey, you have to start playing with numbers. Think differently. How can I make these numbers work for me? I don't want to work with those numbers, but I will make the numbers work for me. How? Take it to 300, add it to this. 300 addition is very easy because only the hundreds digit will change. 948, right? But then you added 4 extra. Go back 4, 944. Make sense? When you come to this, right? This one I gave you an introduction in one of the weeks, I know. 92 divided by 4. How many 4s in 9? You're not going to use a I'm sorry. I was talking with calculators for the geometry class and I'm saying don't use calculators. Okay. 92 divided by 4 is, you're not going to do this, guys. This is not the intent of these problems. Okay. Whenever you're getting a mental math 10-minute test, oh, 92 by 4. How many 4s go in the 9? 2. Do I have a carry? 4 times 2 is 8, but there is a 9. Yes, I do have a carry. Push it. 1 is the carry. Push it to this number, that becomes 12. How many 4s in 12? 3. Right? Like that, what is 48 divided by 2? Who can quickly answer? Take turns and answer. Vihan, go ahead.
It is 34.
34? No.
24. 20.
Oh, okay, sorry. My ears are bad. How about what? What
Even,
Vihan?
even I said it wrong. Even I heard 55.
Oh, okay.
Can I use the restroom and come back?
Yeah, please go ahead, ma. Quick. How about this? Who is going to answer this? I'm going to see. Quickly, who's going to answer?
I know it.
Go ahead.
15.
Aha, that's wrong. That is why I gave you that problem. I thought you'll say 15. No. How can it? You tell me. There are only 15 threes in 315. No.
Is it 105?
Yes, who said that? Yes, Kripa. So now, I didn't see, okay. Now, how many threes go in 3? 1. Then you come to the next digit. How many threes go in 1? 0. Then, you still have a carry. That 1 came to this number, this digit. How many threes in 15? Make sense, guys? This you will not do at school, but for your mathematical foundation you're going to do. At school you should be doing this. You got it? There is no relation between what you're doing here and school in this regard. You see, this is for your mathematical sense. To become better in math in your brain, you're doing all this. This is different. Why should you do this? Within years, within 2-3 years, you'll understand, you'll be so much better in your foundational math. How about this? Who is going to tell me how to do this? That's so hard. I cannot write it in paper. Please understand, you cannot write it in paper. Yes, Kripa, what is your thought?
So I would do 312 minus 200 because 193 is close
I
to
really like
200.
it.
And the answer is 112.
Correct.
And then I would subtract 7, which is 105.
Aha. Is that right? Okay, she says 312. You subtracted more. Did you see, Kripa? You subtracted 7 more. So what you need to do after doing this? You removed 7 more. So what you need to do to this?
Add 7.
So it won't go back, it will go forward. You get it?
Yeah.
But good, very good thought. So when it comes to subtraction, if you subtract more, you add. You got it? Okay, that was a difficult one though. How about this? 413 minus 198. Who's going to tell me how to do this? Vihan, what are you doing, Vihan? You switched off your video.
Oh, I think he went to the bathroom.
Oh, okay, he's not yet back. Okay. Sometimes, guys, even if you go to the bathroom, right, even if I get out of the chair, right, to get something, have your videos on so that I will not call you. Go ahead. 413 minus 198. Yes.
9.
Yeah, I will give the turn to Srimitran. Go ahead.
I can do like 413 minus 200
Yes, good job. So what will happen? It will be what?
and minus 2.
Minus 2. See,
I
you
mean-
remove,
I mean plus 2.
you removed extra. See, 413 minus 200 means you removed 2 extras. So you'll have to add it back, right? 213 plus 2 is a 215. Got it, guys? See, these
Yeah.
are subtle ways where you make the numbers work for you. Okay, don't work for the numbers. Make them work for you. How about this? Who can tell me how to do this? Shankari is keeping too
I
quiet.
can do it.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
53 plus 37 equals 290. 90 plus
Okay, why did you combine 53 and 37? Can you tell us why are you combining like that?
because it's this the back because the one digits are actually the one digits can combine to make a 10. So then you can combine that the 10 digits with the back digits, which is 180.
Very, very nice. Vihan, are you attempting these tests properly?
Yes.
Okay. So 7 and 3 they are friends, you remember? 6 and 4 are friends.
So just friends.
So what do you do here when you add this, right? 53 plus 37, you know how I do? 5 plus 8 is how many tens? 8 tens, and then one more 10 get added. The answer is 9 tens means 90. 9 hundreds means 900. So here the answer is 9 tens, right? Then how many more tens? Then you have 9 tens and then 10 tens, 11, 12 tens and then 6 more, 18 tens. 18 tens means what is the answer? 1, 8 and a 0. Yeah?
That's what I said.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, how about this? 170, give me a minute. 6 divided by 4. Who is going to work on this? Loudly, please. One of you has not volunteered. Ananya G, can I ask you? 176 divided by 4. I'll help you guys. It's not like you should be doing. What are you going to do? I'm hearing you. Tell me. One by one. Let's go one by one, Ananya. How many 4s in 1, ma?
4.
How many 4s in 1? How many 4s are there in 1?
I can try.
You can try? Okay. Ananya, can I give you the turn next time?
Sure.
Okay.
So
Let's go.
you check how many 4s are in 1. There are 0, so carry the 0 and then carry the 1 to the 7. So how many 4s are in 17? There are 4, and then we carry 1 because there are actually 6. And then it'll become how many 4s are in 16, and then there are 4, so the answer is 44.
Wonderful. So let me go at one more time. 176 divided by 4, right? How many 4s are there in 1? There's none because you only 1. Will 4 go into 1? No, 0. So now that 1, because it doesn't, it has to move. It has to move to the next number. It becomes 17. How many 4s in 17, Ananya ji? How many 4s are there in 17 nearby?
4.
4. So that makes up 16. But then you have a 17 here. So how many moves forward? You already utilized 16. So how many moves forward?
1.
1. So that becomes 16. How many 4s in 16?
4.
4. So answer is 44. Okay, how about this? 1. I want you to do this one, guys. Who's going to try this one? Who's going to try this one? Volunteer, please. Volunteer, please.
Can I try?
Kripa, I want to give the turn to somebody else if you don't mind. Shankari, go ahead.
So there, you can't. There's nothing. There's no 8s in 1, so there'll be 0, and then the 1 goes to the 10s, and there's 1, 8, and 10. So there's 2 carry over, and it'll be 24, and there'll be 3 8s and 24, and then there'll be 1 8 and 8.
Good job. So the answer is 131. See how good division you're developing. That's what is important. Okay. At school, you will have to do the long way. It's fine. Okay. Now let's see. How do you do the product of 8 and 13? Aditi, you know this. Can you try for me?
Well,
Aradhya, I want you to try this one, ma. Go ahead. You.
Miss Priya, can I say the answer? Right?
Go ahead, ma.
It's 104. Yeah.
104. Which one, ma?
And 8 times 13.
Miss Priya, can I answer in chat?
Yeah. Others answer in chat, I would say. Okay. So here, okay, I want you to do, what way did you follow? You have to shout out.
I did standard algorithm.
I don't want you to do standard algorithm. What is the other way? Huh?
To split 13 into 10 and then 3, and then do 8 times 10 is 80, and then 8 times 3 is 24,
That's
and then
it.
80 plus 24 is 104.
Good job. Aru, you know this, right? Aru, Aradhya or Aru, try this one. You're keeping too quiet, guys. Aradhya or Aru? Aru, I want you to shout out Aru.
So you can just do 9 times 20, and then you can 9 times 20 is 180, and then you can do 9 times 6, which is 54.
But these two are numbers that are hard to add. So what do? Fill them in. Go to the nearest 10 or the 100. Go to the nearest 10 or the 100.
Can I say the answer?
1 minute, ma. Let's be kind to everybody and then let's go ahead. Go ahead, Aru, finish.
Well, I can add them in my head, because
Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
the answer is 200. No, 234.
Did you get it? Okay. How about Aradhya, can I ask you to do this one, ma? Okay, I think we need to go to the book. Go ahead.
You can split 24 and 20 and 4, and then you can multiply 20 times 5, which is
Who can help her? 20 times 5 is what?
100.
100. Okay. Then what do you do, Aradhya? Good job, Shankari. Good job.
4 times 5 is 20, and then you can add 100 plus 20, which is 120.
Good job. Okay, nice. Akshara, very good job. Okay. Now, how about Akshara never answered anything? How about this Akshara? I really want you to try this. I know multiplication tables you were working on. Can you answer this for me? 48 times 8? Akshara, I want you to answer. Others can answer in chat, guys. I'm looking at the chat as well. Go ahead. Sri Mitran, you're keeping too quiet. I want you to answer in chat.
Okay.
I'm going to help you. You're going to split this as 40 and 8. So, what do you do? What do you do?
So 8 times 8 is 46.
Yeah, go ahead.
And 40 times 8 is
What is 40 times 8?
320.
320 and 64, when they get added, what happens?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yes, you are correct. I did see Shankari is correct, Anjali is correct. So many of you answered. Aradhya is correct, Adya is correct, Shreyank is correct, Labihan is correct, Ananya Ji is correct, Sri Mitran is correct. Good job.
40 times 8.
Akshara, there was a minor mistake. Did you see, ma? Kripa, good job. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop this. Stop screen share. Yes, ma. Ananya V, you wanted to answer, right? I didn't give you a turn, right?
Yeah, but my chat is not working. I got the answer.
Yeah, I know. See, some of them, I don't know why. Zoom has done something, ma, because I'm not able to activate the chat for everybody. I don't know why. Let's see. Ananya V, I'm going to help you with the chat thing. Are you getting my message? Can you reply to that? Can you reply to that, please?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Okay. The thing is, okay. Okay. You know what? How many of you did page number 48, 49, 59, and 72?
I did it, but I pages, but I didn't get to do page 72.
Oh, okay. Let's do that, guys. Give me a minute. Because those problems are a little harder to. Okay, 72 was hard, Amma. Who can tell me what was hard? I am not seeing some of the homework submissions. 72 was definitely hard. Okay. Kripa, what were some of the questions that you found it tough? I am okay to discuss those. You see what I mean?
I didn't
Who found which
understand the
question hard?
I didn't understand the ones where they would have like they would say 1 square with 16 area. I didn't understand that one.
Amma, you can tell me the page number, problem number, ma.
I'll quickly get the book.
Sure. Shankari, don't have to worry, okay? If you are attending from the car, it's fine. Yeah, you can see, get the book, guys. I know there are so many problems that you might have suffered with last week. So I really want to do those. Can you bring them up?
When did our class end?
The page number 61 to 63.
Okay, those were tough.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. See,
I'm
this one.
hungry.
I did like 3 of the questions though.
Yeah, this one last week I did only work with you on one. So I'm going to bring up some images. Wait, let me bring up those images. You have to hold on, okay? I have something for you guys properly. Wait. Let's do it on the board so you guys will clearly understand what are these, okay? You know, I did these. Let's see. We are going to work it out on the board, okay? Let me bring. Yup. I'm going to show it on the board. Are you seeing my screen? Okay. That's not the best. Okay. Let's do this problem on the board. Can we do this problem on the board, guys?
Yeah.
I want you all to do the homework because I do see a lot of homework has not been submitted last week. Yes, go ahead.
Alexa, stop.
You're not going to ask Alexa now. Okay, let's go ahead and see this now. Okay,
It was
let's
just
fill up.
ringing.
Oh, what is it?
It was just ringing.
Oh, okay. So you wanted it to keep quiet. Okay, let's go ahead and fill this. 5 with area 4 squares. You are given 5 small squares with area 4 squares. You're given 2 small squares with area 9 squares, and then 2 more small squares with area 16 squares. So which one will you go ahead and start? You tell me.
Can I say?
Yes, Shankari. Which one will you start with?
I would start with the biggest number, 2 with
Exactly.
area
You will go ahead and start with the biggest number. That's what we did last week. 2 squares with area 16 squares means I have to find the biggest place where I can fill those 16 squares. Which one is it? Left, right, top, bottom? Which one?
Left.
Left. Okay. Shankar, you want to color? What is the next one I'll pick? What is the next? Vihan or Shreyank? You tell me. Go ahead.
Okay, the next one I would pick 5 area. Can I choose one of them?
Yeah. On the board, yes.
I'll do 5 with area 4 squares because because if the first one is I would fit it area with 16 squares. That is like below the black line.
Below the black line. Okay, let's choose below the black line. Okay, this 14. And Shreyank, what is the next one I'll pick up?
Below the black line, but 16. You do the next one that you have to do is 9.
He picked up this. Okay, we are done for 16 squares. We are filling it in. You see, we fill this out. Then what is that? Next one.
Can I say
Yes, please.
the one under
The one under what?
the red one.
The one under the red one you want to do. This one you want to do? 16? Okay, let's see whether it is right. I really don't know. Then? So, we are done with the 2 squares with area 16 squares. Kripa, did you get it? How we are doing?
Yeah, I got the problem. I finished that one, but the picture is kind of different.
Okay, which then you have to tell me the question number. I can help you. Guys, go ahead.
It's 81.
Okay, I'll come there. Sri Mitran, why don't you tell one? Akshara, why don't you tell one? Ananya Ji, tell me one. What is the next one you'll go ahead with? Aru?
Miss Priya, I have a question.
What is
For
it?
the 2 squares with area 16, why is it 3 and 4? Shouldn't it be 4 and 4 and not 3 and 4?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
You want 3 and 4?
No, 4 and 4. You did 3 and 4.
I did 3 and 4, really? 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, 4 and 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. I am sorry. I did not see that. Very good job, Shreyank. 4 and 4. It should be 4 and 4. I did not see it. I'm so sorry.
Miss Priya, I was gonna ask the same question.
Very nice. Srimitran, shout out. Yes, it's important.
Like
Not
in
that
the
I will not make mistakes. I'm sorry. I did not see that, guys. So now 4, I'm choosing 4. Yes, I'm choosing 4. Good job. Go ahead.
in the top, you could do like 9 squares in the top.
You want to do here
Yeah.
or the right corner?
Like in the left.
In the left you want to do, okay. 9 means 3. My eyes are going off. 3, yes. Then what else?
Can I do it?
Yeah, do it. Do it, Ananya Ji.
Okay, so then at the very bottom there's like a 4 square, like right there you can make a 4 square.
True, ma. But I want to finish with this. You have chosen only one area of 9 square. Where is the other one with 9 square? Because go from the big one.
I know where it is.
You
I
can
know
do
where it
it
is.
below the
Let
thick black
Ananya
line.
Ji finish. Let Ananya Ji finish. Go ahead.
You can do it below the thick black line, like right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, now who else wants to say?
Can I say?
Can I?
Go ahead, ma.
So you could do the one next to the 9,
Next
like, and
to the
keep
9.
on. No, the one
Here.
like, yeah.
Okay.
And then you can keep on going down.
5 of those. 1, 2. You can keep on going, she says. 3, 4, 5. This is how you finish this. Okay, now Kripa wants to do the 81. Let's see. 81 might be hard.
Like, this is question 81. I just got confused because it was 3 and 4.
Oh, okay. Okay, any other questions you would like me to solve? There are big ones. You want to try the big ones? Okay, what I was really worried about you doing in that homework was, I'll tell you, there are some problems which I want to review because I wasn't comfortable giving, but at the same time, I wanted to see how many of you do. So 48, 49 wasn't the deal. Okay, that was easy. Okay, one thing I observed in the test, some of you gave the test, right? I clearly saw some of you confused perimeter and area. I really don't want you to guys to confuse that. That's quite important and you cannot confuse. Perimeter means you're just measuring around. That one, meaning several of you confused perimeter and area. Here as well, 48, 49 is concentrating on perimeter area. So I want to see where is the confusion, guys. Okay. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen with you. That's the problem. I'm not able to draw even. Okay, you see my screen? Wait,
No.
you see my screen?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Now I have this rectangle. This is 6. This is 3. Everybody, guys, everybody should do this. What is the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter is going around and adding.
I know it. Can
I do it?
Send it in chat. Send it in chat. All of you, I really do not want wrong answers in this because we have covered this time and again.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Are you correct? I'll check.
Priya auntie, I can't send in the chat.
Who ma? Aru cannot. Okay, Aru, I'll help you. Wait, Aru. I'll say hi to you. You can reply to that. Can you reply, ma? Guys, okay, let me ask you this. Simply just like that, if you send 18, 20, will I understand that? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. I asked you for area and perimeter. It was my bad. I wanted both. I did not write that, so I got confused. Okay. Aru correct. Srimitran correct. Don't confuse area and perimeter, guys. This is such, I know it's, this is a part of your school work, but then I saw so many of you confusing area and perimeter in the test. Aradhya, Shankari, everybody is getting it in here. I don't know what is going on in the test then. Anjali, I need your answer, Anjali. Anjali, I didn't mean to pick, but You had a confusion on area and perimeter in the test. Did you see that?
No.
Hmm. Yeah, there is one more. This we have done it again. I don't know how many of you remember. Let's see. So perimeter and area is what I wanted. What is the area? What is the perimeter? Okay, good, 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 good. Yeah, everybody has 18. Okay. Now let's see this one, guys. Let's see this one. I multiply two numbers. I multiply two numbers. Okay. My answer is 12. There can be multiple pairs of numbers that gets you the answer 12. Okay. There might be multiple numbers where you get the answer is 12. Let's say you just add two numbers. First, let's add two numbers. Okay. Your answer is 12. Okay. It can be 11 plus 1. It can be 9 plus 4. It can be any pair of two numbers that add up to 12. Okay.
Is 6 or 6 okay?
Anything is okay. But I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. Now, what is the greatest possible product possible? What is the greatest possible product in this case? What is the greatest possible product you can get from the pair of numbers? You can write down all possibilities.
Could you do 12 plus 0?
Yeah, you can do. But I want what is the greatest possible product? You'll get a product of 0 in that case. That's the least.
I know what to do. I know what to do.
I don't understand.
Okay. What I'm saying is, Aditi, you can add two numbers. You can add what and all two numbers? You can add 1 plus 11, 2 plus 10, 2 plus 10, yeah, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 7, 6 plus 6, again 7 plus 5. These are the all possibilities you can combine to make up a sum of 12. In this pairs, right, which pair gets you the highest product?
1 plus 11?
1 plus 11 gets you the highest product?
2 plus 10.
See, product means when I multiply these numbers, which one will give the biggest answer?
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma.
am I correct?
Wait, ma. Ananya ji, not really. I am asking you for the biggest product, right? First of all, Ananya ji, the question was add two numbers. Your answer you have to get a 12.
I don't understand. But what's the meaning of product?
I got the answer. I think the answer is 6 plus 6 because if you do 6 times 6, it's 36 and it's the highest of all.
That's correct.
That's what I did
Okay,
too.
what I want, see, this is the question. See, that's what I felt. Okay, this was a part of your homework. I was pretty sure it was hard on you. That's why I discuss it here. What I'm saying is add two numbers. My answer is 12. My sum is 12. Okay, these are the possible numbers 1 plus 12, 1 plus 11, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 9, 4 plus 8, 5 plus 7, and 6 plus 6. Okay, now in these pairs, right, if I make the product 11 times 1 is 11, 10 times 2 is a 20, 9 times 3, 27, 8 times 4, 32, 7 times 5, 35, 6 times 6, 36. I'm asking what is the greatest possible product you can get from the pair of numbers?
Oh, good.
Which one?
6.
36. Now, let this question be on the board, okay? I will give you another question. See the pattern. I want you to observe something. Add two numbers. Okay?
Priyanti,
Yeah, ma.
my chat isn't working.
Okay, Aditya, I'll help you in that, but let me finish this question. Add two numbers, sum is 16. Okay, what is the greatest possible product? What is the greatest possible product? Add two numbers in the pairs that you get. Sit and write down what are the possibilities. In that, multiply and see. Now, Aditi, I'm going to help you with your problem. Go ahead, you can all do this. Go ahead, guys, you're going to try. Good job, Ardya. Ardya. Did you understand the pattern? Did you understand the pattern, Adya? Correct. Shreyang, so what is the pattern?
Alright, that was my last questions answered. I'm still doing these questions.
Oh, okay.
Miss Priya, is the
Yeah.
answer? Can I tell the answer?
1 minute, ma. Let them all finish, okay?
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma, I'm
Miss Priya,
responding.
am I correct?
Am I
Yes.
correct? Srimitran, that is correct.
Miss Priyanti, my
Yes.
chat still isn't working.
No, I have sent a chat to you. Can you reply to that?
Yeah, I tried doing that. It's still not
What
working.
does it say?
It says, 1 minute. It says you cannot chat with the meeting group chat during this meeting.
Okay, Aditi, I'll do one thing. After the class, I'll call your mom or dad. Okay, let's fix this up. I don't know what is the problem. This is happening across classes. Okay, something Zoom has brought up. I don't know. I'm not able to resolve. Okay, today you can shout out the answers. After the class, sometime tomorrow or the day after, I'll call your mom or dad, whoever is free. Okay, and make sure everything work. Make sense? So it is helpful for everybody else. Okay, for now you can shout out your answers.
And it also might be the iPad because I usually do class on my iPad, but today it was out of charge. So I'm doing it on my dad's iPad.
Dad's iPad, but the problem is not with the iPad, ma, because there are kids in the 4th grade class that are using iPad and working perfectly.
Okay.
Okay, something else is there. We'll see. Good job, Vihan. Your answer is right. Anjali, your answer is right. So, what is the pattern? Shreyank, your answer is right. Aradhya, that is not right. 12 plus 4 is 16. But 12 times 4 is. Wait, ma, I'm talking to Aradhya. Aradhya, 12 plus 4 is 16. But 12 times 4 is 48. And that is not the maximum product. Yes, ma. Now tell me.
I know the pattern.
What is it?
The pattern is so basically you have to take the sum and then half it, and then that's the answer.
Good. So here, when you think about 8 plus 8 is 16, you see, when you take it like that, then only you are getting 8 times 8, 64, the maximum possible product. Right?
Yeah. So you have to like half the number, the sum, and then.
So the numbers are near. When the numbers are near, when the two numbers are near that you multiply, then you get your maximum possible product. Make sense, guys?
Yeah. Miss Priya,
yeah,
is
go
this
ahead.
going to be for homework?
It was in the homework. Many of you have not done, and I also felt the homework was a little difficult. That's why I thought I will review this with you. Make sense?
Okay.
Okay, but I want to do this one. Can I do this one with you all?
Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay, now let's see this one. One second, guys.
Miss Priya.
Yama?
May I go to the restroom?
Yes, please. Okay, now there is a rectangle, there is a square. There is a rectangle, there is a square. What is the perimeter of both in here? Who can tell me what is the perimeter of both?
We combined in one. Separately.
No, separately. Separately.
Yeah. Perimeter 6.
What is the perimeter?
12. This one is the perimeter of square of shape B. The perimeter of shape B is 24.
Yeah.
The perimeter of shape A is 24.
Yeah, perimeter of both is 24. Did you see? Perimeter of both the rectangle and the square is 24. But which has the greatest area? Which has the greatest area?
It's shape A.
Which has the greatest area? Perimeter of the
6 times 6.
so which shape has the greatest area? See, given the perimeter is the same. Perimeter is 24. Perimeter is 24. Please, this is a very important concept. Okay, not many realize this. Perimeter of the square is 24. Perimeter of the rectangle is 24.
Yeah.
Which has the greatest area?
It is shape
The first one?
Square.
The square is the greatest area because the numbers are very nearby. Do you see? This is the same concept that we saw before. Okay. Did you all get that? Okay. Now let me ask you this. Now, what is the area of the square and the rectangle? What is the area of the square and the rectangle?
Can we answer chat?
You can shout out, ma. This is a concept and it is a very important one.
16 and 16.
16 and 16. See, now the areas are the same. Which is the greatest perimeter?
Can we shout it out?
Yes, you can shout it out.
16.
Yeah, areas are the same. Areas is 16 centimeter square in both. But which is the greatest perimeter?
The rectangle.
Rectangle. So what does it mean when you come to the perimeter? The shape that has largest distance between the two sides, right? 8 and 2. That has greater perimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is greater than the perimeter of the square. Okay. For the area to be largest, suppose if perimeter is the same, okay, area of square is larger than area of the rectangle. Did you guys get it?
Yes.
For the same perimeter, square area is always larger. For the same area, perimeter of the rectangle is always larger than the perimeter of the square. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So that's an important concept. We have done it earlier and I keep revising and it is quite important, guys. Okay, now.
Right.
Okay, I really want to do these. These were the problems. Yeah, go ahead.
I have to go to the car now.
Yeah, you go. Your mom messaged me. Go ahead. Okay, now, guys, these questions are a little hard, but then I really want you to think differently. When you think about the same problem for a long time, then you will definitely get your answer. Let's see this one. Okay, now, the square and the equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle?
A triangle with all equal sides.
Yeah, square and the equilateral triangle have the same perimeter. Square and the equilateral triangle have the same perimeter. Okay. The side length of the same perimeter. Okay. But the side length of the triangle is 8. Okay. Now, tell me the area of the square. This is where I want to see whether you're getting confused with your perimeter and area, which often happens. And in the test as well, I saw that.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
do we shout out the answer or do we write it in chat?
Write it in chat. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I am trying to work out a better time, guys. Let me see, okay? I know you all want a different time, right? You all want a later time, right? I know that. I'm working out. One or two of the kids cannot attend during this time. In your class, that's the problem. I don't know what to do. Let's see. I even asked the other group. They seem to adjust for smaller kids. You are smaller kids, right? So they are prepared to adjust. But I do have problems with a couple of your own classmates who are not able to attend. I don't know. Let's see.
Is my answer right?
I'm checking now. Kripa.
Miss Priya, am I
Not
correct?
really, not quite Kripa.
Miss Priya.
I am on your answers. I'm checking your answers. I'm responding. Anjali and Kripa, not quiet. Please check it again. Please go over every sentence.
Correct.
Srimitran, the question asked is different from your answer, but you are conceptually correct. Did you see that? Ananya V, is that right what you're doing? Can you recheck? Same, Adya, same problem. Adya, Ananya, Kripa and Anjali, same issue. Aru, not really. Same problem. See, I know what you'll miss out on. That's why I gave you this problem.
Can you check my answer now?
Yeah, I can. Kripa,
Yeah.
can you tell me what made you understand that? That's right. Yeah, ma.
I don't get it.
Okay.
So you said the side length of the triangle was 8. So then I added 8 plus 8 plus 8, which equals 24.
So
And then
wait, let's write it down. So perimeter, she found it to be 24. Okay, now.
And then I divided that by 4 because the square
perimeter
has...
here as well the same thing, right? So it is 24. So she divided by 4. Ingappa.
And I got the answer 6.
6. Then?
And then I did 6 times 6, which equals 36.
36 unit square. Did you guys get it? Who didn't get it? Aru, did you understand?
No.
What is that you didn't understand? Ma, tell me.
I don't get. Can I annotate?
Yeah, please. You don't have to ask. Go ahead.
I didn't get what this thingy was.
Triangle. Side length of a triangle.
No, that. What was when you wrote same perimeter?
Same perimeter, both, ma. Both had the same perimeter. Both the shapes had the same perimeter. I just crossed it off.
Oh.
Sorry about it if I was unclear. But did you understand what is this, how to do this problem?
Kind of.
Why are you not understanding? Same perimeter means, see, side length of the triangle is 8 means first find the perimeter, 24. 24 applies here as well, but it should be divided by 4 to get the sides. You got the sides. So area of the square is 36.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, see, these were I knew that I needed one more week to finish this book. Okay, but I thought, okay, I'll give the homework and see. But I do see many. Aru did not understand. Okay, Ananya, good job, Ananya, we correcting it. Srimitran, did you understand the mistake? Srimitran, everybody, many of you said 64 was the answer. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you
first I thought it was 64, but then I realized.
Oh, I see. Good to know. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to give you this. See, the thing is, okay, there are 2 or 3 important things when you do math problems, okay? Look at every word. Look means you have to really realize what is said in that word. You have to read every word, put it to your brain and really see whether I'm taking it correctly what is given. And after that, how can I use it to find the answer? Let's try this. A rectangle and this. Okay, how about this? There is a rectangle, there is a square. Okay, if you don't understand Aru, you ask me. Okay, I try to write legibly. Both have the same area. These type of problems really help you think differently. Both have the same area. The side length of the square is 6. This one, please don't shout your answers, guys. Side length of square, send it in chat, is 6. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Don't shout your answers, guys.
Priya?
So you answered, ma? Okay, I was calculating. Wait. Not really. Aradhya. Can you check once more?
I didn't send an answer.
Adya. Sorry, ma. I should have called out Adya. I meant to call out Adya.
Can you check my
Can you
answer?
check my answer?
Yeah, Vihan, I'm looking at your answer. I'm thinking, how did you get that? Doesn't seem right, but I'll check whether your answer is as well right.
Can you check my
Length of the
answer?
square is 6. So both have same areas. Oh, such a bad question. Wait. The rectangle and the square both below have the same area. The side length of the square is 6. Oh, okay. There's one more given. Wait. There's one more given. Let us take this as 9. That way it's easy on you. There'll be multiple answers if I don't give you that.
Can you check my answer?
Sorry, I just gave you one another input in the question so that all your answers are the same. Can we check? Now I'm asking you the perimeter of the rectangle. To find the perimeter of the rectangle, you have to find the other side, right, guys?
Miss Priya,
Yes.
am I correct?
Kripa, I am messaging you guys.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Hey, Anjali, are you making an addition mistake, ma?
What?
Can you check?
Okay, I'll check.
See, now you're all getting it nicely. I feel you're making an addition mistake. Aradhya, can you explain how you did it? Hey, Ananya, you did a addition mistake, I think. Can you check once more?
Wait, what addition mistake did I do?
Ananya ji. Anjali, there is a mistake, I think, Anjali.
Which one?
Okay, can you explain what you did?
So it says both have the same area and side length of the square is 6. And then both have the same area. So then 6, and then 36. 6 times 6 is 36.
Okay.
And then 36 is, and then this area. So then you have to split 36 into
9 and what? 9 and what?
9 and
9 times what is 36?
What?
9 and what is 36? 9 times what is 36?
4.
4. So what is the perimeter?
The perimeter is 26.
Perimeter is 18 plus 8, which is 26. Did you get it, guys?
I got it.
Aru, you're okay? Did you get how to do this problem? Did you get it, guys?
Yes.
I got it.
I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now t plus 9 is equal to 18. What is t, guys? T plus 9. Let's say this is a box. A box plus the same box plus 9 is 18. What is that box?
Do both boxes have to be the same number?
Yeah, because they're alike. T and T are alike. You can take it as two T's. When you add them, you get two T's or two boxes. I just need what is the value of one box.
Wait, can it be in the decimals?
Is T equal
See,
to
if they are A plus T, then they might be different values. You got it?
Is T
What are
equal
can it be in the decimals?
is T equal
Miss
to
Priya,
Yeah.
I don't think
you can do it because 18 minus 9 is 9 and 9's not an even number.
That's okay. You can just say it as a fraction, right? Okay, if you want to like that, right? Okay, let me put it like that. You don't need a fraction. How about
Oh,
this?
I got the answer.
Go ahead.
5.
It's 5.
Yeah,
5
5.
and 5 because
Exactly, guys.
10.
So
10 plus 9
what
equals
you do,
19.
you put this inside a pan balance. Whenever you see equal to sign, right? You put these things inside a pan balance. Okay, this is 19. You remove the 9, take away the 9, take away the 9. Meaning the balance is always balanced. So take away 9 from one side and from the other side, you get what? You get a 10 and you get two boxes. Two boxes balance 10. So one box will balance 5. Any questions, guys?
No.
No.
Can I move on?
the answer to T plus 9 equals 18. T would be 4.5.
Good. T would be, that's what I thought, but since fraction was difficult, I took it off. How about this, guys? M, okay, how about this? Minus M plus M is what?
Zero.
Zero. Good job. Good. Very nice. Yes. How about this? Okay, how about this? What is the answer to this, guys?
M.
Good job, because the plus and the minus always cancels out, making it M. Good. How about how about uh, okay, how about this? 14 plus box, let me do this. Box plus box minus 14 will be equal to 20. What is the value of the box? If you're confused, right? So put it into a pan balance. Two boxes and then you have a minus 14. Oh my goodness. That's a negative number. What is that negative number? How to see? Then what to do? I want to make it a 0. I don't want this negative 14 here. So what do I do? How to make that a 0?
Miss Priya, I know the answer.
What is it?
3.
Not
4,
really.
1
This is a negative 14. You're removing 14 from the two boxes.
We need to remove 14.
Correct. So what do you do? What do you do, Vihan? Go ahead.
We add 14.
Exactly. You add 14 and make it a 0. But again, you have to do the same thing here. So what happens?
36. 34.
What is it?
34. Because 24 is 34.
Correct. This becomes 34. So two boxes are balancing 34. What is each box?
Two boxes are balancing 34 because 15.
17. Good job, guys.
Oh, wait, what?
17.
Yeah, I got
17. Who didn't get that? Who didn't get it? That was a difficult one. Who didn't get that? Okay. You know what? I really want you to start writing in variables. These are variables. Letters are called variables in mathematics. Letters are called variables in mathematics. Okay. Slowly we will be doing work with variables. Okay, guys?
Okay.
We've already started though, but we will do more. Okay. Any questions for me? Okay, next week we'll return to our usual time, but I'll try to work out in between and tell your parents. Okay, any questions? Any questions? No questions? Yes, Ananya, I'm here to listen to your question.
I have a question.
Yes, whoever has a question, you can stay. Others can log in.
Why was the class a little late today?
Oh, because there was a math contest locally going on. Okay, I was the coach for the kids. You got it? So the thing is, they had problems, meaning we are not a big, huge like what you guys are, right? We are not very huge here, but then the team was so imbalanced. There was so little kids that were attending in the other team that did not have. So I wanted to go in person, arrange something better for them, and come back. And that was right smack during your class time. You got it? And there was one big person who was talking as well. I just wanted to listen what he was telling in mathematics and then came back. This person came from Texas. Okay, he was here. Okay, he went to Texas. He's working in Texas in St. Mark's School. So this person was talking as well at the end of it for 30 minutes. I wanted to listen what did he say. So I arranged something for the two boys that did not have a team and then listened to him for 30 minutes. I had to do this because those boys I did not know that they were coming for the contest today. Okay, 2 days back only the father let me know and they did not have a team. So I had to arrange a team for them and then I wanted to listen and come. That's the story. You got it?
I live in Texas.
Yeah, he came from Texas, yes. Yeah, tell me. That was the story. Yes, Ananyavi, tell me.
In the morning at 8, like I always wake up at like 7. I'm so sleepy in the morning.
So it is hard for you. So it is. So what do you say? What is your conclusion?
I do not get to eat breakfast. So that's why I ate donuts during class today.
But breakfast is so important, Finish the breakfast and come to class. You'll feel so good.
Even I cannot eat breakfast, so I have to eat cookies.
Cookies? Who eats cookies for breakfast? That's scary to me.
It's not scary.
It is scary. In the long run, it is scary, guys. Don't eat cookies for breakfast, right?
That's not breakfast.
I'm always so tired
when I had to eat it.
Miss Priya? Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
do you know what upma is?
Upma, yes, very much. Tell
I
me.
ate that for breakfast.
Oh, that is healthy.
I know.
Have milk for breakfast. Cookies you can have later in the afternoon.
I'll have cookies. Miss Priya, I
You
ate
had cookies for breakfast. I wish I was fun. I don't. I'm scared. Tell me.
Miss Priya, I
Yes.
ate fruit for breakfast.
Food. That's nice.
Priya,
Yeah.
So when I
breakfast.
for class, since it's like so early in the morning, I'm so cranky, so my brain doesn't turn on.
You think
And
so? I'll
also
try.
I'm-
See, Aru, I really try. I will try. There are other few kids that are also feeling the same.
I also get hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes, I feel like accidents.
Drink milk and come. Drink milk and come. Milk is ready in the fridge, right?
Milk doesn't help me. I'm a different case.
Then you have to drink something else and come what you like. Or a bread with peanut butter.
Oh no. That's not filling.
That's not you, okay. Then something else that you like, maybe a milkshake.
There's nothing filling I can eat quickly.
You think so? Applesauce?
Not filling.
I have to talk to you. Yeah, so yeah, I'll try, guys. Okay, definitely I'll try to change the timing for you. But let's see. See, there are kids attending from India as well. Suddenly I cannot change. That is my problem. Today I said I'll do something for them. We'll see. Okay. Any questions? I know that you guys are waking up early, but honestly, can I tell you something? Is 8:45 late?
No, it's early.
8:45 early? 8:45 early?
Too
I
early.
usually wake up
It
at 9.
reminds me of school.
No, 8:45 is early. Oh my God! At least you'll have to get up by 8 o'clock, guys.
I'm sleeping.
I
woke up at 8 o'clock.
That is good. See, but again, each of us are different, so I respect it. So I'll try to arrange. Okay, try to arrange at a later time for you guys. Okay, but I don't want to promise. I'll try. Okay. Any questions?
Yeah, can you make the class at 8:30 in the night?
Night?
Yeah. Actually, night would work.
Oh my gosh, that's way too late. That's way too late for me. It's not possible.
No. 7:30 in the night is 7:30 works, guys.
Yeah.
No.
7:30 is perfect. No,
I
actually, no.
eat dinner at that time.
Okay, guys, just give me another 1 month time. Okay, we'll make some changes, is what I feel. I can do one thing. I can shift a class on Saturday night to Sundays. Let me see. Okay, I'll ask them and come back. Okay, we'll work on it. Okay, please bear with me. But remember our math class and wake up and come back. Okay. Okay. Now I'll let you all go. I'll go to that math contest. Okay, there are 2 teams competing. Okay. So I'm going. Okay, they're all small kids. Actually, they're
Oh.
competing with middle schoolers.
What?
Yes, with 8th
That's
graders.
not
So
fair,
I'll go see what are they doing.
How's it fair then?
It's not fair. See, winning is not the deal, right? They're just going to see, hey, am I able to sit for that 45 minutes? Am I able to attend one question? That's what they're going to see. Got it? We don't want to win these math contests where you go for with 8th graders, 7th graders and stuff, right?
That would be impossible.
No. See, there are some 8th graders. There are some 7th graders. There are some lower grade kids as well. Okay. Any questions for me?
No.
Bye. I want to leave, I am saying. You're not allowing me.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. See you all next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Take the test, Anjali.
Okay.
Bye.